Have you ever felt overwhelmed by the amount of information you need to process, remember, or communicate? Whether you are studying for an exam, preparing a presentation, or brainstorming a project, you might benefit from using mind maps to organize your thoughts and ideas. Mind maps are visual diagrams that help you structure and categorize information in a hierarchical and associative way. They are based on the principle that our brains work better with images, colors, and connections than with linear lists or notes. In this video, I will show you how to use mind maps to organize your thoughts and ideas effectively. I will also share some tips and tools to help you create your own mind maps easily and quickly. What are the benefits of using mind maps? Mind maps have many advantages over traditional methods of note-taking or outlining. Some of the benefits are: they help you capture and retain information better by stimulating both the left and right hemispheres of your brain. They help you clarify and simplify complex topics by breaking them down into smaller and manageable chunks. They help you see the big picture and the details at the same time by showing the relationships and connections between different concepts. They help you generate new ideas and solutions by encouraging creativity and divergent thinking. They help you improve your memory and recall by using keywords, images, colors, and symbols that trigger associations in your mind. They help you communicate and present your thoughts and ideas more effectively by using a visual and engaging format. How to create a mind map. Creating a mind map is easy and fun. You can use paper and pen, or a digital tool like MindMeister, Xmind, or Coggle. Here are the basic steps to follow. Start with a central topic or question that represents the main idea or problem you want to explore. Write it in the center of the page or screen and draw a circle around it. Add subtopics or keywords that relate to the central topic. Draw branches from the center to each subtopic and write them along the branches. Use different colors for different branches to create contrast and hierarchy. Add more details or subtopics to each subtopic. Draw smaller branches from each subtopic to each detail and write them along the branches. Use images, icons, symbols, or emojis to make your mind map more visual and memorable. Keep adding more branches and details until you have covered all the aspects of your topic. You can rearrange, edit, or delete any branch or detail as you go along. You can also use cross-links to show connections between different branches or details. Review your mind map and make any adjustments as needed. You can use your mind map as a study guide, a brainstorming tool, a presentation aid, or a reference document. Tips for creating effective mind maps. Here are some tips to help you create better mind maps. Use short and simple words or phrases instead of long sentences or paragraphs. This will help you focus on the key points and avoid cluttering your mind map. Use different fonts, sizes, styles, or colors to emphasize important or related information. This will help you create contrast and hierarchy in your mind map. Use images, icons, symbols, or emojis to represent concepts or ideas. This will help you make your mind map more visual and memorable. Use curved or organic branches instead of straight or rigid ones. This will help you make your mind map more natural and appealing. Use cross-links to show connections between different branches or details. This will help you see the relationships and patterns in your information. Use whitespace to create balance and harmony in your mind map. This will help you avoid overcrowding or overlapping your branches or details. Conclusion: mind maps are powerful tools that can help you organize your thoughts and ideas in a visual and creative way. They can improve your learning, thinking, memory, communication, and problem-solving skills. They can also make your work more fun and enjoyable. If you want to learn more about mind mapping, you can check out these resources. The Mind Map book by Tony Buzan. Mind Mapping, Improve Memory, Concentration, Communication, by Cam Knight. MindMeister, Online Mind Mapping Software. Xmind, Mind Mapping Software. Coggle, Collaborative Mind Maps. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to this channel for daily good content. And don't forget to share your comment.